Cine direcția asta? Gheță, bă!
Referee O'Brien Warren signals the end.
All right, coach. Tough game playing away from home. Almost added the 3 points and it slipped late. Tell us about that.
It was a good game. Harborview made it difficult for us. They played with a lot of intensity, had good control over the game. We made some changes in the January window. We acquired the services of Lamar Neal. He played today. Matthew Ellis from Cavaliers. You saw the difference. We played with more stability and composure. It's unfortunate. We did enough to win the game. We took it to the last minute. The referee made a decision. We have to live with that. And we move on from here. At least we have stopped the losing streak, and it's a lot to build on. We have seen a lot of positive signs.
All right, coach. Timor Lewis and Javid George made their debuts, where Timor Lewis making second debut today. Can you assess their performances today?
Well, as you can see they bring quality to the team, so hopefully going forward they'll help us.
All right. Also, you guys started very brightly in the game. Well, what can you say that changed for you to try to fight towards the end of the game? Can you see that you were in control at the start of the game?
What changed the game was the penalty, which was not a penalty in my eyes. So, and surprising me, I got this ref against Chapel, I know I get this ref against Humble Lion. I'm not saying anything, but it's just strange to me. I can't get the same referee. I'm here for 6 matches now, and I'm seeing this guy 2 times already. So I'm wondering how many refs there in Jamaica.